Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am reviewing the I Am From Honey mask that I have been using for over a year. It has very minimalistic packaging with a textured beehive box. It claims that this premium wash-off mask contains 38.7% natural honey from Mountain Jiri of Korea alongside propolis, bee venom, oils from macadamia nut, jojoba seed, hazelnut, and sunflower seeds to tighten pores, hydrate, and nourish skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Apply for 10 minutes to an hour and rinse with lukewarm water. Do not refrigerate. It comes in a sealed glass jar. It has Korean and English instructions written on the box. Thus, it's helpful for us international customers. Its color sometimes changes from light brown to dark brown as it is made from natural ingredients and doesn't contain artificial coloring. It also comes with a plastic spatula that is long and wide enough for use. I Am From Honey mask looks and smells like honey to me. So delicious. The texture is very thick and gooey as you can see it. It spreads without effort on the skin and I don't have to play, push and pull with it regardless of its thick consistency. It has a faint smell of honey which isn't bothering me. This is me before using the mask. Excuse my clothes because I dress up like this at home and there was no power to record this video inside. So you guys can see that my skin is dry, textured with enlarged pores, fine lines, scars, pigmentation and some pimples. I stirred my mask up before using it because it had darkened as you guys saw it in the start. After mixing it goes back to its color and is ready to be used. So I'm applying the mask first like a moisturizer. I'm spreading it while massaging it on my face. If you look closely then you can see that my skin is drinking up the mask as I'm applying it. I will go over it and do a second layer of this mask as I want to have a thicker layer for my dryness. If you have oily skin, then one layer would be enough for you. This mask is feeling quite hydrating on my dry skin. It has been calming to my skin throughout summers and winters for over a year now. Last summer, my skin got irritated by a product I bought in Pakistan. I had rashes and pimples all over my face. I was even unable to apply a basic moisturizer. And that is when I used this. It helped soothe my skin and get back to its normal state within days. That is why I decided to let you guys know about it because it's that good. You guys know I buy my products myself and don't do sponsors at all on this channel. I'm just like you. I am looking for a product that would actually work for me. We are on the same page, love. Once I'm done applying the mask, I gently apply whatever is left on the finger near my eyes as it hydrates it instantly. So that's how I look after applying the mask. I will see you guys in a bit. After 1 hour and 15 minutes. It hasn't dried at all. It doesn't feel like a mask. It feels like a moisturizer more. Even near my eyes don't feel tight or anywhere on my skin. It doesn't feel tight at all. You see this? Weird, no? So, and now I'm just going to wash my face with normal water. No cleanser or anything. I will just rinse my face and I will be back. I'm back. So if you notice, then after the mask, my pores look better. My skin looks even overall. My skin's texture, flakiness and bumpiness have calmed down. My skin looks quite better. My skin feels moisturized even though I haven't applied anything after the mask. 99% of my blackheads are gone as well. I will rate this mask 5 by 5 and will recommend this honey mask to people with sensitive and dry skin types. Bye-bye.